Today, we're diving deep into the Apple Watch Ultra 3, 2025, Apple's latest crown jewel in its rugged, adventure-ready lineup. With groundbreaking health tools, satellite messaging, and 5G connectivity, this watch takes wearable tech to a whole new stratosphere. Whether you're a mountaineer, athlete, or everyday explorer, you're in for a treat. Apple will unveil the Watch Ultra 3 at its September 2025 event, likely around September 9th, alongside the iPhone 17 series and Apple Watch Series 11. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Rugged build, retains premium grade 5 titanium construction and sapphire glass. Display upgrade, a larger 2.12-inch screen, is almost equal to 10% bigger than Ultra 2, with whisper-thin. Micro-LED or advanced OLED, rumored micro-LED for higher brightness and better power efficiency, though it might hit in 2026. At minimum, expect the brighter, faster LTPO3 OLED from Series 10. New S10 chip, more compact and power efficient than the S9, potentially allowing room for a larger battery. Faster charging. Apple promises 0 to 80% in just 40 minutes. Geeky gadgets. Extended battery life. Optimized hardware and possible solar support aim to surpass Ultra 2's. Hypertension alerts. Detects elevated blood pressure trends and warns users. No precise readings yet. Blood oxygen, ECG and sleep apnea. Enhanced algorithms deliver more accurate health insights. Potential blood sugar monitoring, a revolutionary but still speculative feature, might debut in later models. 5G RedCap support. First Ultra with 5G, enabled for faster, efficient cellular coverage. Two-way satellite messaging. Send text messages via Globalstar satellites in remote areas. No phone required. Improved durability, enhanced water resistance, possibly 200 and ultra-tough materials. Ideal for adventure seekers. Trail-ready straps. Supports Apple's signature Alpine, Trail, and Ocean bands for comfort on the go. watchOS 12. Brings AI-powered coaching and a new interface inspired by visionOS. Improved Health App UI. Personalized insights and energy tracking reminiscent of Garmin's body battery. Custom action button. Lovingly rumored for sport modes and instant shortcuts. Tom's Guide. Expected price. Entry at around $799, consistent with previous Ultra launches. Release timeline. Pre-order mid-September, in-store by September 19th. Upgrading makes sense if you want. Next-gen health tracking, especially hypertension alerts. Off-grid connectivity, via satellite SMS and 5G. Faster performance and battery, thanks to new chip and charging tech. Rugged and ready design, perfect for athletes and explorers. If you're adventurous, health-smart, and love staying connected in wild places, yes, the Ultra 3 is a game-changer. But casual users might find Series 11 or SE more cost-effective. In summary, the Apple Watch Ultra 3, 2025, is more than just an iteration, it's a bold leap forward. With industry-leading health features, unmatched connectivity, and a rugged platform for exploration, it's poised to redefine what a smartwatch can